Yo guys, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're talking about HYLIION and some price predictions for HYLIION. So as you're aware, the Q3 earnings came out yesterday, and there's a Q3 earnings conference call that happened yesterday. So we're going to talk a bit about that and where I see HYLIION in the future and some price predictions. But before getting into the video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and if you've got any questions, just comment it down below. But yeah, let's just get into the video. So I'm not going to talk too much about the Q3 earning, only because there's probably a lot of videos on YouTube going through the Q3 earnings, so check those videos out as well and do your research. But yeah, so I actually attended a conference call which was about 30 minutes long, and to be fair, I feel like it was just a lot of waffle. The information given by the CEO Thomas Healy and also the head of investors for the company, it was nothing that we don't know before. It was just basically a lot of waffle talking about the company and some products. So they did talk about a bit about their new product, which we're all aware of, which is the Hyperclock ERX, and they did go into more detail about that in terms of how this product does differentiate from other EV products, such as its ability to charge as the vehicle is on the road and thriving. So this basically gives you the benefit of an EV electrical vehicle, and whilst eliminating the downside of EVs, which partly is the charging times. But yeah, let's just go into some numbers from the Q3 earnings, which wasn't promising, but to be fair, I wasn't expecting anything major. It wasn't amazing, but no one was expecting amazing. So they had a rank up in their R&D spending and their G&A spending, with the R&D spending going up to 2.9 million, and also they had an overall net loss of 9.1 million. But like I said, there's not much to go into detail about the Q3 earnings. It wasn't anything major, nothing promising, nothing that's going to boost the stock as of now. Then let's talk about the amount of vehicles installed this quarter, which was 8 hybrid solutions for 4 fleet-based customers, which isn't a lot. But let's think back to last week when WORKHORSE's Q3 earnings came out as well. Only 7 vehicles delivered. So what you need to realize about this EV company is EV is not a thing of now. This is a thing of the future. So when you're investing in these EV companies and the EV market, you're investing for the long term growth. Because let's take even Tesla for example. Yes, it's went up a significant amount, but it's got so much space to grow because this company is going to keep getting bigger. And that's same with HYLIION and stocks like WORKHORSE. You're investing for the long term. These stocks are just at the beginning phases, whereby they're trying to rank up productions and manufacturing. So essentially we're investing for the long-term growth in these companies with the expectation that they will excel. And with EV being a thing of the future, that and being such a big market space in the economy, a lot of these companies will excel, and I highly believe that HYLIION will be one of those companies. But yeah, Thomas Healy also talks about small partnership that they've made throughout the year, which I think everyone is probably aware of. So that wasn't much news either. So like I said, it was just a lot of waffle during the conference call. Nevertheless, it did give me more hopes for the company. Yes, spendings went up, but that's only to increase production and manufacturing. But it gave me a lot more confidence in Thomas Healy himself, because he knows the company well. He seems very invested in this company, and that's what you want in a CEO, someone who can take this company to above and beyond. And I thought this is what Thomas Healy brings to the company, and he's able to do so. I thought this gives me more confidence in the CEO, and a company run by a good CEO will only mean more chance for success and more able to succeed. So yeah, that did give me a lot more confidence in Thomas Healy, despite previous complaints about his social presence. But yeah, the way I see this this stock going now is I don't think it's gonna leave this $20 cost base for this year 2020. Personally, we might see it dip a bit further. It did go as low as $18 the week before. I don't feel like it's gonna go any lower than $15, so it could dip further. But in terms of by the end of this year, I don't see this stock going even above $28. So some of you who probably bought it maybe in the 30s or even 40s, I feel like it's gonna be a while before we get back to that cost base, but it's definitely worth holding, because the way I see it is, in the stock market, even if you're down 30%, 40%, 50%, you've not lost money until you've made the conscious decision to sell out of that stock and sell your shares. That's when you've lost money. But if you're holding for long-term growth, then even if you're down, you've not lost money. And that's the way I see it, and that's where you need to see it with HYLIION. Even though you're down, you might have bought it while it was running up. Until you sell it, you've not lost any money. But yeah, let's just look at the past few months for HYLIION. So it did go as high as $55, which I don't think we're gonna see in the next month, 2 months, even in the next 6 months, even in the next 12 months. I don't think HYLIION will get to that $55 cost base. But where I do see this company going in terms of next year, if they're able to increase their manufacturing and production for 2021, this could finally bring in some sales for this company. And I feel like once they've got that recognition and they've got that production going, this company can really take off once it's in there. But as far as 2021, depending on how the manufacturing goes, which during the conference call, Thomas Healy sounded very optimistic about the manufacturing in 2021. I feel like this stock we can get back up to that $30 cost base. So maybe this is mid next year. As far as the next quarter, fourth quarter, which comes out in Feb, I feel like don't expect anything amazing from that either. I feel like that will still be pretty much the same as it is now, but maybe in the first quarter of 2021, around June time, I feel like this is when this stock will really start to see some more sell. So maybe going in towards the end of the year, we can creep up to that $40 cost base. But this is still a long-term stock. It might stay at this $20 cost base for a while, but you just need to hold strong, because like I said, you've not lost money until you've sold out. But yeah, that's just my price predictions for HYLIION. But yeah, I don't see it going below $15 in the short term. In the long term, as far as going up, I don't see the stock going past $30, up to $30 by the end of this year. In terms of 2021, it's all dependent on the manufacturing and them being able to provide what they've promised during the conference call. So yeah, that's just something we're gonna have to wait and see. But yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please support the channel and help us get to 1K subs by the end of the year by clicking the subscription button down below. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you. And also, as always, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy stock because I said to buy the stock. Make sure to always do your own research and due diligence before investing your money into any stock. But yeah, we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.